In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create bar graphs and charts using Google Gemini. So at the end of this video, I want us to use this information here in this table to be able to come up with a chart or a bar graph that is similar or closely related to this. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is a Minute with AI. All right, so I have here a chart. Let me show you. I have taken a screenshot of this chart and I'd like to upload it and then convert this into a bar graph. So the first thing I'll do is to enter this data or ask Google Gemini to extract for us this table and then ask Gemini to go ahead analyze this information into a bar graph. To do so, I'll just go to my Gemini here. I have opened it, so go ahead and open your Gemini chatbot and then come to this plus here and use this option called upload file. Or for your case, just go ahead and copy and paste the information on your table or your data to Gemini. For my case, I'll go ahead and choose my image and then I'll ask Gemini to extract the data, and Gemini and Google Gemini will go ahead and extract that information in real time. So this might take some seconds. Let's be patient. And here we go. The information has been extracted. Now that we have this information here, I'll ask Gemini to go ahead and analyze this information into a bar graph. Just like that. So let's see if Gemini will be able to do exactly that. And here we go. Unfortunately, it didn't do it. It just went ahead and gave us data that can be exported into sheets. So here it is. We can just go ahead and download it, but it was unable to draw the bar graph. And here is the information. So it means that Gemini is not able to do this task. However, I tried it with ChatGPT and it was able to do it perfectly well. So if you can't do it with Gemini, then you can go ahead and try it with ChatGPT and it should be able to analyze the information into a bar graph. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.